So, good morning, engineering buddies. Another day, another set of topics here in engineering mathematics. So, right now, plane geometry pa rin tayo, but regular polygons na tayo, no? So, tara, simulan na natin. So, tatlong problems agad nilagay ko dito kasi madali lang naman siya. May matatandaan lang tayo formula. And I believe, kasama na siya dito. Balikan lang ulit natin. Please tandaan nyo itong ano na to. The following, pakitandaan. Yan, pati itong mga formula na to. Yan, definition ng regular polygon. Then yung parts, apotem, inscribed circle, circumscribed circle, sum of, yan, yung mga, ano na yun, pakitandaan. Okay? Tara. So para ito yung problem mo natin, the deflection angles of any polygon has a sum of, so sa unang problem, tandaan na natin na ang sum of exterior angles of any polygon, huwag lang kayo malito sa term na deflection angle, no? So, exterior angle lang yan is equal to 360 degrees. So, ang sagot natin dito ay 360 degrees. Okay, next. Problem third. The sum of the interior angle of a dodecagon is, so alam natin na ang sum of interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2, 180. Okay? So, alam natin ang dodecagon, ayon dito, kung nag-familiar kayo dito, dodecagon is 12 sides. So, yung n number of sides yan, so sum of interior angles is just, ang n niya is 12 minus 2 times 180. So, 10 times 180, so equal lang siya sa 1,800 degrees. So, yun ay sagot natin. Yeah. So, dito pala, ang sagot ay letter C. Okay. Problem number 3. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 165 degrees. How many sides? So, alam natin ulit, sum of, tama ito. The sum of interior angles is n minus 2, 180. So, sabi dito, each interior angle is 165. So, di naman natin alam yung mismong hinahanap dito, sides. Kaso hindi naman binigay yung sum of interior angles. Ba't binigay yung bilang yung measure nung interior angle? So, paano gagawin dyan? E di, ano mo lang, parang dimension analysis lang. Interior angle is just equal to n minus 2, 180 times all over n. Kasi di ba dapat nandyan yan eh. Di ba? Nandyan dapat yan kasi sum nga. Pero dahil di nga binigay, so parang dimension analysis lang. So, ang binigay, so 165, yung interior angle is equal to, So, ilipat na siguro natin. So, 165n is equal to 180n minus what is 180 times 2 minus 360. So, pag nilipat, 360 is equal to 180n minus 165n. So, lalabas dyan, lipat natin dito, is 360 divided by 15 is equal to n, which is 24 sides. Yan, 24. 24 yung number of sides. Tama ba? 360 divided by 15. 24. So, yun na yung sagot natin. Yan. So, 3 problems agad sa introduction ng polygons. So, tandaan lang natin yung formula for finding the sum of exterior angle, sum of interior angle, etc. So, it is just a start. Meron pa tayong couple of problems, no? So, for more engineering topics, please, and tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, let's keep watching. Happy learning and Paday Engineers!